I like to work with my hands, and realizing the level of mechanics here, that how in depth they get, really was intriguing. I work at AJ Rose. I'm the senior group lead here in maintenance. I'm Nelson Rodriguez. I am a full-time 9-year employee here. They brought on an apprenticeship program that I went through.
We joined forces with Lorain County Community College and started an apprentice program for our maintenance and tool room employees so that they could get their state journeyman's card. We have partnered with Lorain County Community College for over 2 decades now.
And I was totally not the school type of guy, didn't like school, didn't enjoy school. Starting this was a little rough, and then after it got the wheels turning, I want to keep it moving. I enjoy it. It was really nice to have these teachers that were in the trade. You can turn a wrench, you can plug in a wire, you can do those things, but to take the course and how they break it down just from the beginning to the end, I think it made it a better learning environment. So I finished the course, and now I'm a maintenance mechanic, journeyman. I'm looking to pursue a degree. So I guess my next step with education, I would pursue my associates in mechanical maintenance with LCCC. It's a good feeling, and I look back at it and I'm like, it was totally worth it.